What's good, bro? You trying to build jump? You trying to team up? I feel like if two of us put in one. Yep, let's do it. What's your name?
Nico.
I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you, Nico. There it is. Whoa. It's so bumpy. We're back at Croshawn Park in Bayside, Queens right now. Got a brand new snow scooter. It's thanks to the dudes over at Reyes. They hooked it up with a brand new snow scooter. They saw the other video. They're like, you need to upgrade, which I clearly did. And I hooked this thing up, and not only do I have the Reyes scooter, the bars that came on the scooter were a bit tall, so I threw on a fresh pair of tie unions just to get this thing going. Got the MV4's double clamp on there with the Red XDs. This thing actually flies. It's so good. We built a little bit of a ramp, as you guys can see. The last time we were here, there was a little bump, and I didn't bring a shovel and didn't have that much time. And now we got this thing going, so we gotta test it out. Try to do a couple of tricks on this. In time, it's gonna feel better and better. Oh wait, here we go. Yeah, you missed a little bit. I'll try a tail whip. Whew, that worked. The more you go down, the faster it gets. Like, she's already going by herself. It's awesome. Up. That double was way easier on this scooter and with this ramp. The last time we were trying to do it on a little bump that actually made it harder than flat, but now that we have this big thing, it's actually getting broken in. If you look at it, the more you use it, the smoother it gets, as long as you don't run on it. This is snow scooter session attempt number 2. So far, successful. Man. Ah, and that was it. Yes, that was it. Bro, pleasure. Till next time. Oh, and I got that. Yo, it's your first day or what?
It is.
Yeah.
You heading out?
I'll catch you next time.
I'll see you, dude.
Later, bro. This snow scooter is so much better than the other one. Not saying the other one's bad, but this thing I had so much more control today. That double whip that I did a few times felt normal. Put the tie bars on here if you guys want to check out the snow scooter a little close up before it gets dark. Check this thing out. You got the pins on here, so even if there's ice, you have plenty of grip, which is strange because when I was testing it, I feel like if there's no grip, but there was plenty. Reyes definitely killed it. Obviously with the tie bars on here is a game changer. Last time I was here when I filmed the video, I actually went down this after I filmed it in the dark. Look at this. There's a ramp, but it's missing?
Yeah.
Missing a piece.
Some of the park.
I don't even know what that means. That sounds scary. Talk about getting squirrely. Woo! Bro, you got squirrely. Let me try this again. Whoa. Woo. There's no way I was hitting that jump like full power. That thing is too small. Woo. Like 20 feet, bro. You about to land in the street. You definitely gotta go first because you got more control. I'll jump a little more left just in case. Crazy height on there.
I didn't grab it.
Bro, I was getting squirrely the whole way again. I'm gonna try to stay on this time. I might need some straps. I can't make it, bro. It's my first day. Is that when you fall, the one I make? It's just hard for me to keep up because you're mobbing, bro. It's good?
Yeah.
No, this does not look good.
That doesn't look good. That looks
Oh wait, it does look good.
looks really good.
I feel like I'm gonna catch and fronty.
But it's a little bit too steep.
It's too steep. You go from the side maybe now.
Yeah, I'm thinking like more center.
This is crazy.
All right, right here. Full sends only. Oh, you good? Oh. Right here, right here. Right
That
here.
was a good save, good save, good
Yeah,
save.
try.
Get it, bro. Woo! That's a rat right there. Hit the streets. Yo, this has some pop. Be flying in the streets. That was good. Full send.
Full send, yeah,
It's
good.
been a pleasure, boys. Till next time, enjoy the heat. If there's still snow here, you know where to find me. I would love to. I just want to see if these guys let the scooters on. I'll make a few calls and see if I can line something up. Later, boys. Appreciate you guys watching this video. I had a crazy fun time. Hope you had fun watching this one. Now that we got this snow scoot hooked up, doesn't look like the snow is going anywhere soon. So we'll be using this for a couple more videos. If you guys like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.